Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am beyond excited to present to you the ultimate accessory for your Roborock S7, S70, S75, S7Max, S7MaxV, T7s, or T7s Plus vacuum cleaner, the mop pad vacuum cleaner robot mop rags parts mop cloths accessories. This incredible product is designed to take your cleaning experience to the next level. The mop pad is compatible with Roborock T7s and T7s Plus models, as well as the S7, so you can rest assured that it will fit perfectly with your existing vacuum cleaner. It's important to confirm your vacuum cleaner model before purchasing to ensure compatibility. So, why should you consider investing in this amazing accessory? Well, let me tell you. First and foremost, it will save you time and effort when it comes to keeping your floors clean. The mop pad is made from high-quality materials that are designed to effectively remove dirt and grime, leaving your floors sparkling clean with minimal effort on your part. Not only that, but the mop pad is incredibly easy to install and use. You simply attach it to your vacuum cleaner and let it do all the hard work for you. Plus, the durable construction means that it will last for a long time, saving you money in the long run. But wait, there's more. By using the mop pad, you'll also be contributing to a cleaner environment. Say goodbye to disposable cleaning pads and cloths. The reusable mop pad is not only more convenient, but it's also better for the planet. I cannot stress enough how much of a game changer this accessory is for anyone who owns a Roborock T7s, T7s Plus, or S7 vacuum cleaner. If you're ready to take your cleaning routine to the next level, then I highly recommend checking out the mop pad vacuum cleaner robot mop rags parts mop cloths accessories. You won't regret it, so, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing accessory and revolutionize the way you clean your home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing product reviews and tips on how to make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.